Hey everyone, Shawn here from theautomationschool.com, and in today's video, I'm going to explain how Rockwell improved how security works in the Panel View Plus and Factory Talk View Machine Edition in version 8. Now, in episode 30 and 31, I discussed how Rockwell added Factory Talk Security to Factory Talk View Machine Edition starting in version 4, and how that complicated editing a project that was created on a different PC. Now, in version 8 of Factory Talk View, it appears Rockwell came to the conclusion that the complexity of Factory Talk security outweighed the benefits when used with Factory Talk View Machine Edition, and they changed the software so now all of the security information resides in the application itself, kind of like it did prior to version 4. What this means is when you restore an application archive, you're no longer asked if you want to restore the security information or directory. And no matter what the previous directory was, all your users and groups now show up correctly in every application. And while you no longer have the ability to share security permissions in Factory Talk View Machine Edition with other applications, the advantage of not having to archive all of your existing applications whenever you needed to open one from another directory is well worth it in my opinion. Now, if you're still using Factory Talk View Machine Edition versions 4 through 7, check out episodes 30 and 31 of the Automation Minute, where I discuss how security works in those versions. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a like and a thumbs up. Now, if you have any questions for me, feel free to post them to me at my free forum, theautomationforums.com. And if you or someone you know would like to learn everything you need to know to program and troubleshoot the Panel View Plus or View Studio, please visit me over at theautomationschool.com. Until next time, peace.